world that suffers from bullying and beginning or hurt, and they don't want to go out because they feel a fear with sweat on their comments and their face streaming tears. This is for the children, this is for the adults, people who were different behind these cowards. It's a situation, it's a premonition, little time to go and have a mission. Children in the speak up, knowing that they've had enough and knowing that it's up. When they get to go and tell someone their parents are aware what was happening up there. Why they don't want to play and it's rattling their brains when they come to us. On every weekday they get a slap on the face and a pulling of the hair. Well, this is unfair, what more can I do for help to change today? Adults are the same whether old or you're young, so you work for a living. Unemployment, someone who always gives you grief, so you beg and you breathe and you breathe. It's a dream when you leave, you can breathe. Online bullying, another impact with easy access to the 20+ act. Living on a hide and inside they have died to carry or stop being blind. This is for the people all around the world that suffers from this awful dreaded cursed hurt that we know all about it. Don't do nothing, right there. We know all about it. Don't do nothing. This is for the people all around the world that suffers from this awful dreaded cursed hurt that we know all about it. Don't do nothing, try it. We know all about it. Don't do nothing. We all wish to live a good, peaceful life. A life that is free of stress and strife. We need to get together so we all of us unite and support the victim. What's right, so that's all the people just not delay. Because we need to get together and start today. Attacking this bullying, it's up to us. Although you think enough is enough. This is for the people all around the world that suffers from this awful dreaded cursed hurt that we know all about it. Don't do nothing, it's frightening. We know all about it. Don't do nothing. This is for the people all around the world that suffers from this awful dreaded cursed hurt that we know all about it. Don't do nothing, it's frightening. We know all about it. Don't do nothing.
Well done, Sean. Well done, buddy. Louise, what did you think of Sean's performance?
Sean, I gotta be completely honest with you. It's really, really hard to judge that performance because we couldn't hear a thing you were saying. I love that you went out your way to, you know, go to location and like it looked visually lovely, but we just couldn't hear anything you were saying. I managed to make out that you added a bit of like kind of song in it, like a little bit of a hook line, which I think added a little bit more. So I know you're trying to take on the advice from last week, so I do applaud you for taking on that advice and trying something new. But I still think when it comes to your rapping, it's still very repetitive rhythms. So like I said, again, go away and listen to all different people, listen to all different rappers and take some inspiration and not copy them, but take inspiration. Listen to a song all the way through, see how they flip from one rhythm to another, because it's so important to not just be, you know, the same thing all the way through because people will get bored. But like I say, I can't really judge it that well because we couldn't hear anything you were saying. So, but well done anyway.
Kelly, what did you think?
Yeah, I loved sort of like, you know, the creative idea behind the video. But for a live performance, it just, the background sort of just drowned out everything you were trying to achieve, unfortunately. I thought I recognised the song. I'm sure you've done it before in
Town Such Cymru.
Yeah. And I mean, I liked the hook line, I really did. But if I'm being honest, I think the hook line would have been better with somebody else singing it. Because I think what you need to focus on is your rapping. The rap did sound quite similar to last week when you did the audition. It still had that same kind of rhythm. So I think you really do need to sort of look to. It's not about adding a hook, you know. You can do that to change a song, but it doesn't change the pattern of your rap, and that's what you really need to focus on. You know, it's very, very similar all the time, and people are just going to lose interest in that then, and all your effort's going to be lost. But you know, fair play, you did step up and you did take it to another level with the video. Unfortunately, it just didn't work.
Yeah, Sean, it's an unfortunate one really because the video didn't do justice in terms of how we could hear you rapping and things like that. It was so faint because the river and the sound of all the water was just overpowering. Obviously that was mentioned, but it is what it is. I got to give you credit for going out and doing the video. I think, like, out of all the performances this week, I think this is the, you know, you actually went outdoors and thought, I'm going to get really creative. So I got to give you credit for that. But we got to try and fix this problem from you, because what the girls are picking up on is so right, where everything sounds the same. And it's not even just sounding the same. I think you just need to sit down basically, and you need to listen to more of the rappers you listen to, and just see what we mean by changing rhythm and changing flow, and because things will get repetitive. And what, you know, I'm listening back now, and just now I was thinking, oh, maybe this does sound different, but when I listen to it back in my head, it does sound similar to a lot of the other tracks, you know, da 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 da. It's like that constantly. Now, what I did like about this, you did try and change it up a little bit with the singing, but again, singing is 100% not your thing. And of course, I know you're aware of that. I've told you that before. So I definitely would have stayed away from the singing. But I got to give you credit for what you did with the video, because it was nice to see you go out and make that effort and get yourself all, you know, spruced up and down by the river and whatever. So, but well done to you anyway, buddy.